As a medical assistant, I had to show you why patients who drink diet soda can't stop eating. You're gonna wanna send this to them. People who drink diet soda daily consume 200 more calories per day than people who drink nothing. Here's the scary reality. Your brain is being tricked into thinking you're starving. Studies show diet soda drinkers have higher rates of weight gain and diabetes than regular soda drinkers. If you're drinking diet soda to lose weight, your brain is literally working against you every single day. Follow what you see on screen to see if you qualify for GLP-1 treatment that fixes these broken hunger signals.